Welcome to the Codex.
Hello everyone. Let's today we're talking about how to upload the multiple images in a single request with the help of DIO. So let's get started. This is my application. So I'll explain it's about later that what is the working of this application. But let's get started. Our main important thing is that the teaching how to upload the multiple videos. Okay, so this is my task details, and in that purchase section I'm going to be adding that multiple images upload using the library. So you can see here there is I have a form. So that control text editing controller I have been declared for these fields, which is you can see here. Okay, so this is my some style, no need to be learn about that. That is actually array where I storing the image paths, okay, which is picked by that image picker. You have to declare that variable, that's must compulsory. And this is form submission, so I'll be explain about it later. So let's get down, and first thing I will show you that how it is working. Let me fill that form data, just random data as a ram I have been purchasing and something description about that, and there is a amount of price or something. Okay, so then that is a camera icon. So what happened when someone is click on that camera icon? So let's find. Okay, that's my camera icon, and when I click on it, it will be called the function image picker. Okay, what is inside this function? So let's see. There is a image picker library I have been copied from flutter pub. You can also get from there, and I created that instance of that class. You can see here, and image pick images and provided a source as a camera. So whenever someone click on it, it will get the image into the file via your native camera. No need to be additional camera implement in this application. Okay, you can see this, my camera is open. I can capture the image and approve it, and then it will show the cropper for me. Actually I have an implement another library which can help me to crop the files. You can see here, if file is equal to not null, then open my cropper, and that cropper have some pre-decided ratios here. You can see here, and that will be display here. Okay, so let's cut. There is a settings for the colors and other things, and this is after cropping, we are adding that image array, that file path which is provided by cropper. Okay, I hope you understand. If you got not get anything, you can ask me in comment section. So I'm capturing the another one image. This is my monitor. Let's capture it. Okay, it's done. Now let me crop this file. Actually I have implemented a compressor and cropper, the both things in this, so my server will use less consume data, and that will easy to upload the file on the server with within less data. If you have slow internet, then also it work. So this is save button, and it will be called the submit method. So where is the submit method? Okay, you can see this is my submit method, and this is my form validation. If anything error in this form, there is I have been added the flutter form validation, so it will be show the error. And this is all the form data, there is no image data, and I created that form data object and added that is product ID. Where is that? Okay, this is vendor ID, product name, description, that everything added here, you can see here. Okay, now what I did next, you can see the for loop where I am using the images in a file. You saw that I already mentioned that I declared above, so that come into the file, and then form data dot files, and all add into the map entry into the form data into the map entry images. Don't forget this brackets. If you forgot this, there will be no multiple files. It will be helpful to understand the HTML to server to get that it's a multiple array files. So don't forget the bucket and use the multi-part file dot form file and pass your file path here. Okay, please provide the path here. And if you don't know, this is my token actually. Most of the API without token cannot work. Also my API is secured by the token, so I have captured that token from my session storage, and this is my URL for the I'm adding into the header. This is all the URL list. Actually I have multiple URLs, so I make that a constant static class. This is the authorization token I have added over there, and data into the form data. That form data, and this is method is a post method. If you are uploading anything, you need to be post method, don't use the get method. And this is response. If response is 2200, then it will be success, and if the message success equal to true, then this message will be your uploaded successfully, or if anything else, the error will be shown into the else. Hope you got everything. Now test this once. This is the exception actually. First one is exception if anything error on the server, and the second one is timeout. If the internet is slower, then it will be automatically ended after 20 seconds. So let's submit the application. This is save button. So I'm going to click here, and you can see the log here if it's successfully uploaded or not. Or this is my server directory which I'm using, the local server. So let's save. Hooray, you can got it. You can see this, you can see here the both files are uploaded successfully, and even you can see the message into the console, purchase added successfully. So this is a simple method you can use to upload the multiple files in your Flutter project. Thanks for watching. And also you can see here, so my uploads also reflected in this section. Yeah, thank you.
Thanks for watching. Hit like. And don't forget to subscribe.